Hey everyone, so I did exchange my eyeshadow. Um Thank goodness they still had. So I'm going to use the mauve tan color. Mic drop. And this, that brown color that I thought at first it was like bronzy, I guess because I'm looking at the glitter. It's like an olivey brown color. Go into this color right here. And then go into that. It's like a dark olive or olive brown kind of color. I put too much. It's falling all over me. And I'm going to use creme brulee. I took the darkest blush. I did not expect that they were all shimmery, but they are. See how that goes. Okay. I'll leave the highlighter for last. I'll do it on camera. Let's use these shimmers. Yeah, it's just an overspray. Ooh, that's nice. Look at that. That is pretty. I thought that they might have improved the glitter in these because of the Christmas glitters were like perfect, but it's still crap. Putting the darker color on the outer corner. And it matches with the brow color, the contour color. Let me try and blend that out just a little bit. I think I blended it out too much. Alright, now let me finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Okay, everyone, so I'm gonna do some more application, but on camera. I'm a little nervous about this since it was so frosty, but I'm gonna try and use this. Oh, that's insane. That is too shimmery. That looks like an eyeshadow. Let me see if I can. I'm trying to tone it down with my, this is my concealer brush. I don't like my bumpy nose, so I do this. I bring it all the way down to the bump. And I put it on the sides as well. Yeah, this is a true bronzer, not a contour color. I'm still gonna try it underneath just because I have it and just want to try it out. So I hate my double chin. Even when I'm skinny, I have a double chin. I just like tapped it in there with this big brush. This is a contour brush. And now here's the new color, Front Row Glow. Let's see how that works. Fan brush. A lot of the glitter is, I noticed, is on top. Like they put like an overspray on it. Okay. My nose looked a little off balance because one side was darker than the other. Put a tiny bit of the green. I put a little bit of green when I feel that I have too much red. I'll just put a little bit of green. And then I will blend that out as best I can. When you put the powder, it covers any like if there's still like a little green showing, the powder usually covers it. Ugh, just poke myself in the eye. Putting the like this, it's like a bronzy lip gloss. I don't have my glasses on, so, but I'll put the name. This is the first one I used last year. I'm going to put a little bit of this on my inner corner of my eyes. Highlighter. I try to put it in there. Since mine are so deep set, I just try to get a little bit in there. And basically that's it. I finally found this. I went to and it's sealed right now, so I can't open it. But I went to a Dollar General. I found all this stuff in a Dollar General going into Alvin, but deeper into Alvin, I found another one, and like that was like, I think it might have been the only thing they had as far as the new stuff, and I grabbed it. This guy was like putting up stock of other things, and he had it blocked, so I didn't really get a really good look, but that's all I saw, and I just grabbed it. So I'm glad about that. Let me just use this. It feels, oof. I opened up my eyes too soon. It feels good because powder blends everything in together, and but it kind of feels drying, and I feel like that really, like, it gives me a little bit of moisture, and I feel like it really sets it in. So that's what I use. So that's it for the makeup.